how to set up and use PayPal app, or in other words, how you can create a PayPal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can create a PayPal account. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to set up PayPal, just make sure you have downloaded the PayPal application. Once you've downloaded it, open it up. Now if you already have an account, you can go ahead and then log into your account by tapping on the login button from the bottom. But if not, then you can just tap on the sign up option on the bottom right corner, and it will ask me to enter my phone number and email. So let me also just go ahead and then do that. Once I enter my phone number, I'll basically just tap on the next button at the bottom. It will send a confirmation code to that specific number, so it's also going to verify the code automatically. Now as you can see over here, it says how do you want to log in. Now we'll simply go ahead and enter the email address that we want to use for our PayPal account. So just go ahead and enter the email address, and also make sure to choose a password. Now once you choose an email address and a password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can also tap on this little add button over here. But aside from that, tap on the next button from the bottom. It'll ask me to choose my country, my name, my last name, and my date of birth. So just go ahead and fill in all these details respectively as well. Now once you fill in your date of birth, just hit the OK button and tap on the next button which you see from the bottom. It'll ask me to choose an address. Use the one that is on your billing address, so just go ahead and then enter that as well. Once you enter your billing address over here, I'll also just go ahead and then do that first. Once you enter your billing address, let's say, all you have to do is just tap on the agree and create account button from the bottom of the screen. And once you've done that, you would have successfully created your PayPal account. Now you can go ahead and set up your payment method. You can go ahead and send money, receive money, and complete the setup process as well. And that's all it takes to set up a PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.